Today we're reviewing the Aventon Adventure, a step-through e-bike with fat tires that's perfect for adults. The Adventure features a 750-watt motor, pedal assist and throttle, a color display with easy-to-use controls, and a removable battery tucked into the frame that can give you up to 40 miles of range. The electric bike is available from Aventon's website for $2,000, and you can pick between 3 different colors and 2 size frames, making it perfect for riders both short and tall. We'll put links in the description of this video, with deals available to save you some money. We got ours in the dark green with a medium-large frame. The e-bike ships in a large box, with it neatly packaged inside. It includes a user manual, a couple of tools for assembly, and the charger. Assembling the bike is easy and comes with instructions. All you need to do is secure the front wheel, mount the handlebars, screw in the pedals, and you're good to ride. Looking at the controls, they are very intuitive, and the color display is one of the best that we've seen on an e-bike. It's bright and easy to read, shows you battery with percentage, top speed, the pedal assist mode you're in, along with trip distance and odometer readings. When toggling through the stats, you can even see how much CO2 you've reduced and how many trees you're saving by riding electric. We also like the advanced menu you can easily get to by holding the I button, where you can clear the trip data, change the display brightness, and even change the top speed of the bike. The default top speed is 20 miles per hour, but you can increase it up to 28 miles per hour, making it a Class 3 e-bike. The Adventure has a 750-watt rear hub motor that has plenty of power to get you going. You can either use the pedal assist, which has 5 different modes, or you can use the thumb throttle anytime you want for motor power. Riding the e-bike, it's super comfortable. It has large 4-inch tires that absorb cracks and bumps, along with the front suspension with 80 millimeters of travel that you can adjust the preload. You can also lock out the suspension if you want a stiffer suspension for biking on a flat path. We tested the Adventure off-road and was pleased with the way it handled the trails. The large tires and suspension did a great job going over roots and other obstacles. Riding on paths and streets, it handles just as great. And we like how it comes with front and rear fenders, making it a great bike for commuting to work and not worrying about puddles. You can also add a rear cargo rack or a front basket, which are available separately from Aventon. The battery is a 48-volt, 15-amp-hour battery that fits into the frame of the bike. It can easily be removed using the key lock, so you can bring it inside to charge separately. We tested the range, and riding mostly in Pedal Assist 5 using throttle going about 20 miles per hour, we were able to get 30 miles of range. However, with a lower pedal assist and less throttling, you could easily get 40+ miles of range. And if your battery ever runs out, you can always just pedal home. This e-bike also features dual front lights that you can turn on using a dedicated button. The front headlight is at the top of the handlebar, while the rear light is located on the side of the frame and is surprisingly bright and also functions as a brake light. Another added feature is the ability to connect the bike using your phone. The Aventon app allows you to see more details on the bike's status, track rides, and even has a social media section to share photos. One drawback is the weight. Due to all the large components and big battery, it comes in at 73 pounds. So make sure you have a garage or area where you can wheel it in for storage, since you won't want to carry it up any stairs. Overall, we recommend the Aventon Adventure step-through e-bike for any adult looking for a comfortable and long-range e-bike that's ready for both street and off-road terrain. Alright, that's it for now. If you enjoyed this review and found it helpful and want to support our channel, check out our merch including custom hats and hoodies. But you can always support us for free by subscribing to our channel and leaving a comment on this video letting us know what you think and what e-bike you want us to review next.